Hey guys, it's Amy here, and today we're going to be doing another video, and today we're going to be showing my slime. Look, this slime, and it's in the box, so let's move this box out of the way. So yeah.
Connor Roberts on loan for the season from Swansea. They mean business this summer to Middlesbrough. We will see how it develops as the championship season.
Well, I made 7 yesterday, and you might think that's a lot, but I'm going to make 9 today. I'm going to make 2 more, so it's 3 equals 9. I'm like 8. Yeah, so I made 3 yesterday, that was really quick, like blub, 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 done. And it was real fluffy. I made that real fluffy, and then I made 4, which is over here. Here's all the 4s I made yesterday, but more earlier than yesterday. This took a whoa. The bottom one took a while to chum to slime because I used 2 different glues. I wanted to glue to the box, so it doesn't like hotel solution. It doesn't work. So for these 3 slimes, you can see them move. These 3 slimes, I named this one butter slime because it looks like butter. It looks like milk cheese actually, because I put it. But on the camera it looks like milk cheese. I called it melted butter. Melted butter slime, or whatever you want to call it. I'm calling it butter fluff. Mine is fluffy butter slime because it's fluffy. It's not that fluffy. It's like glossy fluffy. Right? This one's blueberry fluffy slime. As you can see, it looks like this. And then here, in the camera it looks just like it's light green, but here is neon green. I don't know how it came neon, but yeah. It's just, I call this one neon green fluffy slime. Oh lord. Yeah, so it doesn't look neon in the camera. Well, here it's neon. I don't know how. I just added this light green. Tons and tons of stuff. Well, it's gonna get dark green. So yeah, I packaged them in cardboard because there's nothing else to pack them in. So yeah, and here is my bottom one. The bottom one is called pink ruffy fluffy glitter slime. That's a really long name. So it's morning right now. I'm gonna make 1 slime for you guys because it's so easy, because I've been doing this for 7 times or maybe like 10 times. So I'm going to show you my quick and easy slimes that I made yesterday night, which were very easy. So here's one of them, and that one's really fluffy. This one's really fluffy, but this doesn't look like it's fluffy. This one's called baby pink fluffy slime, and I want to call it baby fluffy slime because it reminds me of babies because it's so baby pink. So here's my white slime, and it's in this tissue cup. It's kind of sticky in there, but it's really fluffy. It's really fluffy. Oh, it's still staying. So here it is. See? There it is. I'm going to take it out for you because this is really fluffy. I like this one because this one's more fluffy. I added tons and tons of what's it called? Shaving cream. So I'm going to try to take this out, but it's really sticky. Alright, it's kind of jiggly now because it's been even left out, but it's kind of sticky, but it's still fluffy. You can still play with it. And it said it will dry. I used this glue that said, I never knew it would dry clear. It said this glue it's called washable PVA glue, and yeah, and it says if you can see that dries clear, so that's really cool. It dries clear, so all the glue I used will dry clear. It's not that fluffy anymore. Yesterday was really fluffy, but I think when I left it in there, it made it more glossy, fluffy slime. So, but it's still very cool. Can't really see yet. It can't dry, but if it dries, then my slime will go hard because basically it's made out of glue. So yeah, let's put that back into there. Yeah, that's that slime. Now it's time. Where's my other slime? Yeah, I'll do that one last. Now it's time for my baby pink fluffy slime. And it's moving. Alright, I want you guys to see this. Alright, I can have some activator for this. So I made this I'm in the UK guys, so if you're like in the UK to make some slime, you can get whatever glue that is has PVA glue and contact lens solution, because we don't have Tide or wax. Yeah. Or the other thing that some people use. So you can make spray slime that is just glue and spray, and it works. I think there's chemicals that make it. Alright, here's the pink, the baby pink. In the camera is really light pink, but here's a bit more pinky. Okay. It's really fluffy. It's better than the other one because this one is more fluffy than that one. Not too glossy. Let me try to take it out. Oh, that's really cool. It's still very sticky, obviously, because I left them out. It's really stretchy. If you stretch it in a certain way, it will rip like this. If you wanna stretch it like that, that's wrong. It will just do this, and then it melts in my hands. That's what all my slimes do. Like oobleck, melt in my hand, but then come back together. It's like oobleck. I don't know why. So that's the pink. Baby pink fluffy slime. I really like it because it's fluffy. Cool baby pink. So next is my beige colors. Maybe it's kind of more orangey color. I don't know. But I put this outside. Right. So it's there. It looks disgusting, but it looks like melted cheese, doesn't it, guys? But more orangey in the camera. It looks like melted cheese here. Like, disgusting. I already have some buzz. I use this yellow orange color. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. And here is it. It doesn't really stretch properly. If you want to like this is more glossy slime than fluffy slime. This was my first slime this was my first quick slime, but I didn't add a lot of foam for some reason, and I made a little bunch, a little bit. So if you want to stretch it like this, it just rips and then doesn't stick in your hand, and that's really cool.
And they scored again after 24 minutes, Mavididi with the finish. It was the third goal before half time.
Okay, so just got the door open.
So friend Anger see this. Seems like what they were watching now.
Okay, let's get back to this.
And Arsenal got their fourth in the second half. Mavididi scored at the near post. A comfortable win.
Right, let's do some ASMR for you.
And don't forget, your best place to find out about all of today's movements in the transfer market is on Transfer Centre. That's tonight at 7.
I hate being
By
myself.
the way, Neymar has clashed with a
Sometimes.
teammate during a training session.
Right
in
now I'm
America.
by myself.
This means
Dad's
that
going to
future
get some
rules
breakfast.
about
It's almost 12 o'clock. I woke up at 10 today, really late. I woke up when it was like 8 o'clock and I said, Dad, gotta have social ticket for breakfast. And he said, yeah. And then I slept for 2 hours and then I woke up. I heard him speaking on the phone. I was like, oh. Okay, I showed you all of those slimes. Should I show you the slimes or make a slime? They might be very, very sticky. I don't know. I'm going to show you one of them. I'm going to show you the butter slime. Because it looks really cool. In the camera it looks like melted cheese. Here it just looks like disgusting butter, melted butter with bits inside. I picked gold glitter. So yeah. This one is not too sticky because it comes off really easily. I don't like playing with this one because it has glitter and I don't like the feel of the glitter and the slime together. It's not nice. Oh, it is. There's the paper. Ah, stuck paper on it. I forgot about that. I don't want to waste my slime. What am I do this for? See, look how, guys, it's melting. It's like butter. Alright, I don't like the feeling of this because it's got glitter. It could be see. Oh my days, I can't even do that. Oh, really? I want to show you, guys, glitter. Look, can you see the glitter? See it? Or maybe not. Well, it's definitely not sticky. It's more rubbery, rubbery slime than glossy slime. So we're gonna make slime for you guys to see how I make my quick slime. So yeah, let's get to this. Right. I need to get my phone and contact restoration. I think contact restoration. I don't know what color should I make, guys. I have green. I have all different colors. I don't know. I already used those colors. So where's my contact list solution? Oh, it's in the box. Okay, so make sure your contact list solution contains borac acid and borate sodium. How many is? Yeah, I need to check the time because I'm gonna end this soon, but yeah, I'm just gonna make a small type of slime for you guys. So it's 17. I'm gonna end it in quite a while. So first you will need to pour your glue. I'm using that much. You can use how much ever you want. Then foam if you're making fluffy slime. Yeah. And stir. Quick. I'm gonna end this soon. Alright, so now time for let's see how cool that is. Alright, and here's your slime. Guys, here's it. Here it is. It's coming to snow. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye!